my name is Ineza Naomi. I am a student at Bethlehem TVET School, and I'm here to present our work, our designs, and all that we do in this school. So I'll start by the garments that are here. You can see they are very beautiful, they are very aesthetic, and they are very, very smart, as you can see. So let me start by this trouser, long trouser. It has a waistband, as you can see, and it is usually for women. Women can wear this, and you can also see that here we have the top of it. It has a hat and long sleeves, and also a belt in the waist. This one symbolizes the Rwandan culture. As you can see, this hat symbolizes the houses of Rwanda in the traditional. And here we have shirts that are casual. They are casual. They are also formal. They can be worn in anything you want. Here there's also a shirt that is formal. It is worn in business attire or any ceremony that you want to attend. We also have knitting clothes. These knitting clothes that you can see, they are also worn. For example, if you want to go to the beach, and it is simple to wear these clothes. They make you breathe well. They are very comfortable. We have here other clothes. This skirt, it's also very, very, very aesthetic because it also has a slit in it. Here we have shirts of young men, the children. They can wear them whether going to church or anywhere else. So here we have a handbag made of crocheting. As you can see, it is very, very beautiful. Usually made for girls and some women. Here we have tops and shirts. They are for kids. And here there are also dresses for girls, young girls, that they can wear during ceremonies or going to church, something like that. We also have here a knitting dress that has this cross in the back. It is actually also worn in formal occasions and night parties and also other ceremonies. Thank you.